Hey guys, this is Mr. H. I want to do a couple of examples of some problems from the Delta Math assignment. First thing that you should see here is this one is telling you that it's going to have rational solutions, but even if it doesn't, we're going to use the quadratic formula and we're going to solve for k. Okay. It doesn't matter what this variable is. This could be x, it could be k, it doesn't matter. All we want is the coefficients. Now, in order to use the quadratic formula, this has to be equal, this quadratic has to be equal to 0. Right now, it's not equal to 0, so we got to set it equal to 0, and this is how we do it. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to take this. So the very first thing that I'm going to do is I am going to subtract 2k from this side. 2k minus 2k is going to be 0. Now, I'm going to subtract 2k from this side. Now, I have to subtract it from this linear term, or this middle term, because these two are the only ones that have a k with the same variable. So this is just going to be 3k squared. And now we're going to do 9 minus 2, which is 7. And then we got minus 20 equals 0. All right, so now this equation is equal to 0. So now I can take the a term is 3. The b term is 7. The c term is a negative 20. And I'm just gonna store those into my calculator. So let me grab my calculator. I'm gonna put these both up on the screen so you can see both. So I'm gonna store 3 and put it into A, done. I'm gonna take 7 and store it into B, done. And then I'm gonna take a negative 20 and store it into C, done. Now I'm going to use the quadratic formula. Remember, control divide. I'm going to do a negative b plus the square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c. And then I'm going to put down here 2a. Now, someone said earlier, they were like, Mr. Watt, where's the plus minus key? There isn't a plus minus key on the calculator. So we're going to find each root one at a time. We're going to find the plus root, and then we're going to copy this and change the plus to a minus to find the other root. Now, when I press enter, it tells me that one of the roots is 5/3. So I can go here and I can put 5 divided by 3. Now I'm going to need another box for my other answer. So let me go back to the calculator. Now, all I'm going to do is copy this. And to get the other answer, I'm going to subtract. So we get, it's a negative 4. So that's my second root. So I do a negative 4 and I submit it. And that is our answer. So I had to subtract. I had to get this quadratic function or quadratic equation equal to 0. It wasn't, so I subtracted 2k from both sides. And then I just used the coefficients. The a is 3, the b is 7, the c is a negative 20, and then I used the formula. I had to do both. I had to do the plus and then the minus, and that's how I got my answers. So 5/3 and a negative 4. All right, I'm going to stop and I'm going to post this.